Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to cut out parts of a video on Android using a simple and built-in method anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Gallery app. You can find it right on your home screen or in the apps drawer if it's not pinned. Step 2. Within the gallery, scroll through your media. You'll see all your photos and videos listed there. Find the video you want to cut and simply tap on it to open. Step 3. After opening the video, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a pencil-shaped icon. That's the Edit button. Tap on it to access the editing tools. Step 4. Now, inside the editing menu, tap on the Clipboard Style Trimming tool. Here you can drag the sliders to set the starting point and the ending point of the section you want to keep. Step 5. Once you're happy with your selection, tap on the 3 dots in the top corner. From the drop-down, choose Save Copy. This feature creates a new version of the video, so you'll still have the original and the trimmed one both saved in your gallery. Step 6. After saving is complete, go back to your gallery and open the new video. Play it, and you'll immediately see the updated version with the cut applied. Nice and clean. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.